First off, we know that vectors oriented at right angles to one another. It can be added together using the Pythagorean theorem. Here's an example. Two displacement vectors with magnitude and direction of 11 kilometers of both north and east can be added together to produce resultant vector that is directed both north and east. Use the Pythagorean theorem to find the resultant. 11 square plus 11 square equals resultant square. At the end, the answer would be 15.6. Example 2. Now, how to use SOHCAHTOA to determine direction of resultant. Observe that the angle in the lower right of the triangle has been labeled as theta. Theta represents the angle that the vector makes with the north axis. Theta can be calculated using tangent function. The TOA of SOHCAHTOA indicates the tangent of any angle is the ratio of lengths of the side opposite to side adjacent that angle. Here is the working below. Tangent equals opposite over adjacent. Answer would be 67.1 degrees. Example 3. The three vectors have been labeled as vectors A, B, and C. The resultant is the vector sum of these three vectors. The process of vector resolution involves using the magnitude and the sine and cos functions to determine x and y components of vector. To solve Cx, you first times Cx sine 30 degrees, and the Cy, C times cos 30 degrees. For Cx, the answer you would get would be 2.4 meters, and Cy, 4.156 meters. Then you find the length of horizontal side and length of vertical side. Horizontal side, B times 2.2 meters, plus Cx 2.4 meters, you get 4.6 meters. Length of vertical side, A, which is 2.6 meters, plus Cy 4.56 meters equals to 6.756 meters. The resultant's magnitude can now be determined using Pythagorean theorem. R squared equals 6.756 meters square plus 4.6 meters square equals 45.655 meters square plus 21.16 meters square. R squared equals to 66.815 meters square. At the end, you would get the resultant of 8.2 meters. Now, finding the angle that the resultant makes, the tangent function relates the angle value to ratio of lengths of opposite side to the adjacent side. Theta equals to 6.756 meters over 4.6 meters equals to 1.46889. Then you use inverse tangent function, which gets you to 56 degrees. The 56 degrees angle is angle between resultant vector and westward direction. This makes direction 56 degrees a south of west.